Today we are doing a workshop, well actually it's the end of a week-long workshop with young people in Colchester and Tendring who are looking at the design and coming up with ideas for the design of a new garden community that will be on the edge of Colchester and Tendring. So in today's workshop they're making full-scale prototypes of furniture for the public realm, things like benches, seating, tables, that could go in a temporary meanwhile garden, which will become part of a series of activities and events that are announcing that this new garden community will be coming, and invite members of the public to have their say and give their feedback.
We're going to try to help the environment, incorporate nature into our city, so it can be urban but can also be rural at the same time. Everyone who's been here has always been really nice and helped us make our imagination into actual things.
We expect to be building out for more than 25 years, but obviously the homes and the communities will be there for many years after that. So this is a place for today's children to move into, to live and have their work, play, all of those kind of key activities for life. It's really important that the young people today can inform that space and help us shape what those spaces are like. I think beyond that, we've got a huge project to deliver and we need as many people mobilised and interested as possible to help us work out what it should be, what's important to local people, local families, local communities, because they're the experts rather than ourselves.
The other thing today to do is cutting and reading the table, and it's actually really fun.
So I am Julia Bolton, I'm Beth Chatto's granddaughter, and today we've been coming to speak to young people about a project that we're involved with, which is a meanwhile garden. The young people have been tasked with creating some outdoor seating areas, and areas where people can meet, and it enables them to enjoy the surroundings.
I think it's really important that young people engage, in the conversations about how their towns and cities are shaped, because ultimately they're equal participants in it. And often when decisions are being made about towns and cities and how they're being shaped, it's them that will be using that in the future, so they should be equally part of that.
I've really enjoyed my experience here. I think it's been great and I would definitely recommend it.
It started with just some cardboard and now they're into really big designs. They all look really good, and all the designs came from just one idea, and they've all been combined into a bigger picture, and I really enjoyed seeing that.